Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture, and we are continuing with our linear regression. So now what we are going to do in this lecture, we are going to call our regression model. So to call our regression model, let us say from Scikit-learn import linear underscore model. So here what we did, we have called our regression model. Here we have called our regression model. So after calling our regression model, what we need to do, let us set our regression model here. So regression model equals to our linear model dot linear regression. So we have called our linear regression here. So now we need to make sure that the data fit in on the line. If the data is not fitting, then there is no relationship there. So we call our regression model here dot fit, and we are fitting our X train data, X train, and Y train that we have passed here, as you can see, Y train. So after our data is fitting, as you can see, after the data is fitting, what we need to do, let us plot a graph for the data set. Okay, so to plot the graph for the data set, we call the matplotlib dot, let us use it scatter plot for the data, scatter. Then we call our X train X underscore train, Y underscore train, and we can determine the color. Let us use color green. Let us use blue color. You can use blue color or color green. Let us use green. Okay, you can use any color of your choice. Then matplotlib, we need to plot the linear graph. So X underscore train, then we pass our regression model here. We need the coefficient value here. Okay, and we're going to put 0 and also another the coefficient value here times. So this is the linear equation formula. Okay, the linear function formula, where we say y is equal to mx plus c. So times underscore x underscore train plus the intercept. So regression dot intercept underscore 0. Now what we need to do, let us pass on the labels. X label. On the X label, we are going to make sure that there is reading there, reading score, and reading score is our independent variable, dependent variable there, and also matplotlib there dot y label, and here this is where we are having our dependent variable math score. This one is our dependent variable, our dependent variable here. Okay, so we have dependent variable and independent variable. So if you want to put a title, you can put a title. Let us say plt dot title linear regression model or you can say the relationship between the data. Now, matplotlib.show to visualize. Now let us run our data and see the relationship. Okay, C train here. This should be X train. Okay, let us run our. Okay, I'm supposed to put the close bracket here. Then let us run again. Okay, I don't like color green. Let me put color blue here. Let us run again. Okay then. So as we can see here, this is our linear regression model, and we can see that the math scores here, they are also in relation with the reading score. As long as the data is actually fitting in well in this model. So we can confirm that there is a clear and powerful relationship between the reading score and the math score. And also it is being explained by this linear regression model and this linear regression line or the slope as we can see here. Okay, I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.